Samsung has announced a new version of its Z Fold 7 phone, which will run the latest Android operating system and a One UI 7 skin Android 16 and One UI 8 out of the box. This is a significant update for both Samsung and Android phones, as Z Fold 7 will receive Android 16 even before the Pixel devices are launched by Google in June or July. An internal source suggests that Samsung is working on One UI 8 for the Z Fold 7, which could be a more affordable yet better phone option. However, if you want a cheaper yet better phone, S25 Ultra deals are still available. Battery improvements have been mentioned in the Z Fold 7, with Fold 7 and Flip 7 displays being highly efficient, consuming less power and offering longer battery life. The Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy processor is also expected to make a big impact on battery life. The pricing of the Z Fold 7 has been a concern, as previous sources suggest a similar price as last year at $1,899. However, tech tariff sources are worried about price hikes on tech products, particularly smartphones, and foldables are among the expensive side of things. Anthony on X suggests that more expensive devices like foldables could see an even bigger price jump, possible to over $2,000 for the Z Fold 7. Samsung was working on a Z Flip Fan Edition, which was a cheaper version, but it seems that it will not be cheaper anymore. The Z Fold 7 will also feature a wider display, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. The official screen protector confirms the display of the Z Fold 7, with a larger inner display and a boxier design similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung's Z Fold 7 phone offers a wider and more efficient design than the S25 Ultra, with a more affordable and better-looking device. According to a recent source, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will have the much-needed improvement in the foldable space, significantly more efficient screens that prolong battery life. Furthermore, Samsung may release the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, which would make foldable technology more accessible to a larger market at a more reasonable cost. However, there is a contentious rumor that Samsung may replace the Z Fold 7's S Pen digitizer with a sleeker, thinner design. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.